Hey friends, this evening I was attending a historical medical exhibit dating from the Civil War era, 1860s, guys. Check out this surgical kit from the 1860s. This saw here, really captured my imagination. It has opposing teeth, like I have on my Corona razor tooth pruning saw. Amazing to think about, guys, on the battlefield and such for amputations, and the ornate carved wooden handle. And below that, the instruments, there's a couple different varieties of tweezers as well as hooks. And moving on to the medicine kit of a traveling doctor, these are very small vials. I don't know if the picture really imparts how small they are, but they're maybe like 1.5 inches, 2 inches tops, with little cork tops, so very well preserved here. There's a coffee extract, chamomile. These are things that are common, chamomile tea, for example. There was also an opium, Nux vomica. It's used for respiratory and circulatory heart disease, tired blood, anemia, erectile dysfunction. Strychnine, basically. Strychnine. Strychnine is actually used in rat poison, if I believe. But anyhow, a lot of these patent medicines actually, guys, derived from this period of the 1860s. But in 1900, Coca-Cola, guys, had discernible amounts of the coca plant from South America. A lot of the medicines in this kit that you're seeing here seem to be of Asian, Oriental origin. Please post your comments below, guys, if you know more about Civil War medicine and the specific medicines that were used, as well as patent medicines. I'm fascinated by that topic of patent medicines. Right up through, actually some of them are still used today, right? For example, I occasionally take milk of magnesia. I believe that's been around for a long time. And it does me well on occasion. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys soon.